What's up and welcome to the Blitz Pools fan zone. I'm Rohan Manglani, Neil Narvekar with me. Neil, what's up?
All good, Rohan.
You've been making a lot of teams, I see.
Blitzpool makes you do that.
Yeah. Well, but now we are talking about one of the most exciting things. That is always very exciting whenever a new boy comes and bursts onto the scenes of Indian cricket. Now Ishan Kishan is the man of the moment. So why don't you tell us a little bit about Ishan Kishan?
22-year-old boy. He showed the world what he could do in the Indian League, T20 League. And he got a chance in the India versus England T20 series.
Absolutely.
And he came on the stage with a bang.
Yeah.
Born in Bihar, plays for Jharkhand.
Oops. Registration issues. Anyway, yeah.
Registration issues, but Dhoni mentoring him probably.
Yeah, Dhoni is his idol, and so is Adam Gilchrist.
Adam Gilchrist is his idol. So he's a good keeper, also a good fielder. But the runs he's getting, surely the T20 World Cup chances are looking pretty good for him. He's going to give Virat Kohli a headache and Ravi Shastri too.
Absolutely, and playing like him at his age, being a keeper batsman. Now that is something which is, ever since Dhoni's happened. Before that, India was never known to have any keeper batsman, and now suddenly you have these young kids like Pant, Ishan Kishan coming on the scenes as a keeper batsman. And
even a Sanju Samson.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. And one of the things which I really liked when I saw him play, when he played in this T20 series India-England, was that, the guy he's absolutely fearless. For me, his backlift is something which, it's such a, it's a low backlift. And he's so confident going ahead and playing those strokes, whether it is, on the offside. And, one of the strengths always of a left-hander is the leg side. And he plays that brilliantly. What have you gauged of his batting at the moment?
The thing about his batting is he just looks so beautiful, I won't get into technique much, but then, the six hitting, I think 199 runs that he scored in one of the T20 games was exceptional. He looked so comfortable against a bowling attack that had so much experience. I think if he can get that at such a young stage, he is someone to watch out for in the near future.
Absolutely. And the thing is that with him, you can also mention mentality, because that's something which comes through. He was the captain of the India under-19 team, in which Rishabh Pant actually played under him. There were a few more cricketers who played under him at that point of time. So, he is a guy who just, he was looking forward, I think, to this chance. He's got this chance. People will remember him. It's now all coming down to how you perform in the next 4-5 months, how you perform in the T20 league, that you can take this on and whether you can be a part of that T20 squad. What do you think on that?
I think it's a big headache for the selectors, because such a talent, if it goes waste, the selectors are going to be to blame. So Absolutely. It's a task for them to get him to play a lot of matches, probably shuffle the teams around, and the World Cup T20 is right around the corner.
Yeah.
So hopefully they will, give him certain chances and probably then see. And he's breathing down Pant's neck, Pant has
I was just going to say that.
Pant has been good in the test matches, but T20s he's yet to fire. You have seen Pant.
I believe that Pant is also just amazing in the, in T20, and he'll play. But there's nothing wrong in playing two wicketkeeper batsmen in your team. Like you said, it makes both of them perform at their highest, and both of them have been a part of a really solid system within the Indian, coming through the ranks of Indian cricket rather.
But the bench is so strong in India right now. The person who performs plays, and having two wicket keepers as backup, Pant can't take it easy. Ishan Kishan
nor can some of the players who are in the team as just batsmen. So
yes,
I think that's one of the key things. And there's an interesting story about Ishan Kishan. Just like how Sachin's brother was helping him, in his time when he was becoming the Sachin we know, and even throughout his career. Yeah. Ishan Kishan's brother, his name is Raj Kishan, who also has been helping him throughout in this entire time, and who supports him. And those are stories which you just feel it as an Indian fan.
End of the day, if your family supports you, you can achieve, anything.
Unimaginable things.
Yeah, unimaginable things. So that's good by Raj Kishan, And now the world is backing him, and hopefully the Indian team supports him and, gets, gives justice to the talent that he has.
Absolutely, and I think both of us would like to see much more of Ishan Kishan, whenever, and we'll obviously see him in the T20 league, which is coming up, but I would love to see him more in the Indian, in the Indian team. playing different formats. For me, he's a little bit of a Raina who kind of can open. You know, in that sense.
He can bat anywhere. He can bat
Yeah.
anywhere. He's got that temperament, and probably the T20 series coming up now will prove that. And hopefully he gets more chances. That's all I can say.
Well, on that note, kudos to Ishan Kishan. Well done, man. Keep it going.
इंडियन स्क्वाड में सेलेक्ट होकर मुझे तो विनिंग वाली फीलिंग आ गई है. ये फीलिंग आपको भी आ सकती है. गो मेक योर टीम ऑन ब्लिट्सपूल नाउ.